So a lot of people ask me the question, what do you do in lesioning? You say you burn the circuits. How do you burn it? Do you use laser? Do you use this? Do you use that? And things like that. So it's a device that we have called a lesion generator, LNG it's called, and Lexcel's neuro generator. There are other companies also which make that. So what we do is once I open the skull, we actually insert an electrode inside the brain. The electrode has an active tip. Either it's I have three kinds of tips. Either you have a 1 into 4 millimeter tip, or a 1 into 2 millimeter tip, or a 2 into 2 millimeter tip, depending on the size of the lesion that you have to create. So the common things I use is 1 into 4 or 1 into 2. Sometimes I use 2 into 2. So you burn the circuit once you stimulate to make sure everything is okay. What's very interesting in this surgery, as much as medicine otherwise, is the commonest misnomer, or what you say, fallacious thing is, if you don't like mathematics, become a doctor. And the amount of medicine we have, calculations we have as a doctor is too much. Everything is a number. BP is a number, sugar is a number, heart rate is a number, this is a number, that is a number, drug calculation is a number, dose is a number, everything is a number at that time. So it is it is such a, I'm not getting the right word, it's such a, I can't get the right word. Anyway, so here I'm not only just looking at numbers when I'm doing this, going inside to test him, I have to use the Ohm's law also. Impedance I have to look at, I have to look at the resistance, I have to look at the voltage, I have to calculate voltage based on the current, milliamperes. I'm looking at pulse width in milliseconds. Can you think about how it's crazy in the surgery? I'm having to calculate all of that real time. It's not one time, real time, all the time as I'm going in and out. So what happens is, once I know that I'm in the right location, then we burn the circuit. See, normally what we have found over time with all the experts who have done this in the past is, like I said, normal body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. Up to 50-55 degrees if I burn, the damage is reversible.